Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you how to turn the offline sync on. Many times it happens that you're working on a sheet and the network goes away, and all the data that you've been entering either doesn't get saved, or alternatively you are not able to enter any data in the sheet. But if you turn this offline sync on, you will be able to work on the document even if you don't have any internet. And once the internet restores back, it automatically saves all the data. So this is a very useful thing for you to have if you have an unstable internet connection, or even if you don't have, but it's a good thing to have, right? So what we do is, I'm on the sheets home page, the home screen. I'll go on these three lines that's given over here. Okay, I click on main menu and I go to settings. Okay, so when I go to settings, I see this option which is saying offline, and it also says create, open, edit your recent Google Doc file on this device while offline. So I'll just quickly switch it on. So now this is on, and I'll click on OK, and you can see over here it is setting up offline. Let me just wait for, since it's done. I mean, it'll be done, but yeah, this is how you do it. So thank you.